Hi, my name is Nat. I'm a mindful artist in Brooklyn, New York. Mindfulness to me is not so much being in like an empty room without distractions, without noises. It's about finding that place within. Making art, making creative work is where I can find that kind of stillness. It's really important to me to consider the space I'm in, to create a container for creativity to come out and play. I light a candle or some kind of ritual that activates my senses to start creating. I'm gonna walk you through the process of creating a moss mind map today. So I've already sketched it out. I thought of this concept as something that's mapping out the mind, being really present with where the mind goes as I'm creating. I start by attaching the wire frame to the fluorofoam. I'm gonna use this wire to actually punch through the front and secure it. I've chosen some hoops to make the structure. I'm doing an outer circle and then going smaller as I go towards the center. I'm gluing moss in a repetitive pattern all the way around the outer ring. I love working with natural materials. It makes me feel connected to nature. This is like my favorite thing to touch and hear. I like to make it brighter as I go in and maybe a bit more lush. I try to really be present and see where it wants to take me rather than being so planned in my actions. Creativity is a space that allows me to tap into an inner clarity. Doing art can help focus the mind and move away from distraction. And that's the practice, right? To be present with what you're doing in the moment with your senses. I like to attach some succulents as well, gluing them to the little stone gardens I'm making. And I'm actually gonna add one in the center now. When you're finished filling in all the circles and added your little succulent, you can decorate the edge. I'm using tree bark here and filling it in with some moss. There you go. After I'm finished, I like to close the container of creativity by clearing my space, by just setting that end ritual. I hope you enjoyed this mindful process and that you were able to be present in the moment with your creating. Made by Nat. Look out for my classes so we can make more things together.